let's talk about data loss, because I think that's really, at the end of the day, on top of being able to recover, well, how much can you afford to lose, and are you sure you're recovering the right data? Can you tell us what you've seen from your customer base? I think you have 1,500 customers or so, so you've seen a lot of things.
Yeah, everyone watching this should really be asking themselves, what's the price tag for failure? How much are you willing to pay for that ransomware attack? If you don't have CyberSense or you don't have a clean way to recover, what's your price tag for failure? Is it 3 million? Is it 5 billion? Is it 10 billion? And so with our customers, what we're seeing is, instead of taking 6 months to recover, or the data loss, how much can you afford to lose? They're able to recover in days instead of months. And not only are you minimizing downtime, you're increasing customer trust. Just, there's been headlines every single week about, companies going down and losing trust that their, customer data is out there, or the healthcare data is out there, the financial data is out there. And what we're really trying to do with Indexed Engines and CyberSense is mitigate that risk so that customers know that the data is clean, it's trusted, it can be recovered. And anyone, in security, in IT, in a cyber resilience, or in a data protection title should be working together to mitigate that risk.